Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to change font in Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Now on the search bar type in canva.com and it will lead you to a home page of Canva website. After that you can see create a design button here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and choose your required template. Now you can see text option here on the left side. Click on it and click on add a text box. Now type in your required text. Now simply select this text and here on the top side you can see this option which says Canva Sans. This is the default font provided by the Canva. If you click on this you can see different options here that you can choose from. For an example, if I choose this Cooper Hewitt here, you can see that my font has been successfully changed. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.